I'm gonna apply aloe vera every day for 7 days on my hair. We'll see if it's able to drastically transform my dry and dull hair. I mean, look at this. First, we gotta turn this baby into gel. To do so, you gotta carefully clean the aloe. Please be careful with the tiny little thorns because this can absolutely get you. They're tiny but mighty. Also, try not to use soap unless you absolutely have to because you don't want those chemicals in your hair. And even though we're gonna remove the peel off, they may get in there. Once the aloe is clean, we carefully cut the edges, which removes the thorns and a yellow substance known as latex. Now, this latex is not known to be bad for your hair, but it may cause severe stomach issues if consumed intentionally or by mistake. So let's definitely avoid it. Moving on, we cut the aloe into squares. Use the knife very carefully to remove the peel off of the flat side of the leaf, not the curved one. It's just easier. Emphasis on being careful because things do get very slippery. A perfect peel looks like this, clean. Grab a spoon and scoop out the aloe. Easy. I'm gonna blend this thoroughly and apply it. The first thing that you gotta do is brush your hair. This is gonna make the application much easier. Begin application on your scalp. Aloe vera has a lot of great antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits that help your scalp when it comes to dandruff, itchiness, dryness. Once you're done with your scalp, you want to divide your hair in sections so that it is easier for you to make sure that every little fiber is covered. Make sure that you give some love to those tips. They're the ones that are probably dry, brittle. Once your hair is fully covered, you want to put your hair in a shower cap, towel, or even in a bun. While my hair dries, let's go over how to store the rest of those aloe leaves that you now have so that they stay fresh. My favorite and currently most practical way to store it is the entire stem in a damp towel. Just wrap up the baby and then we'll put it in the refrigerator. A dad of the year, look at that. How should we name it?
Aloe.
Aloe. I like that. You can put it in the refrigerator. So this is what my hair looks like after drying. This is just day one, so I really can't say much. The only issue I got right now is that my hair is covered in tiny little pieces of aloe. I am pretty sure that these will just fall off the minute I start brushing my hair, but we're about to test that. Yeah, I mean, as I'm brushing, they're just falling off. I'm gonna keep on going with aloe vera itself because I wanna see what are its capabilities on its own. But you put on conditioner, you're gonna do yourself a big favor. Why? All right, even though most of these little boogers fell off, I have to say there's some that are quite resistant that forced me to transition from my detangling comb, trying a brush and a comb with narrower teeth. But it wasn't enough. It's a new day and I won't allow yesterday's mistakes to define my life from now on, and neither should you. So that's why I'm using a stronger processor. I have all of my aloe here. Oh! This is it, let's go. It feels much better. I think this will be chunk free. Kind of. We actually drastically decreased the number of tiny little aloe boogers. I still want something that's not gonna give you anything. That's just gonna give you the benefits without the pesky boogers. Especially because I'm thinking of my curly hair girls and boys. Yes, you queen, hi. So I'm really hoping that this is the answer. Nothing. We have found the formula. Yes. The formula, brought to you not by me, but lots of research, consists of mixing in a blender for at least 1 minute at high power. Use a cloth to filter the mixture twice. That's the step I was missing. By the second time, your aloe will flow like water while keeping a no-mess texture. 7 applications later, here's what my hair looks like. This is so pretty. Not a lot of shine. That's not this hair mask forte. but you do get some shine. It's definitely not the shine that those fake influencers show you when they straighten their hair. They put shine product and show it to you and say, look, wow. We get manageability out of this. Oh, wow. This is like some Victoria's Secret waves. The volume that you get out of this hair mask is so pristine. It feels like I have 10 times more hair than before. The other thing is the scalp. It really soothes. It hasn't been itchy, hasn't felt dry, which leads to the itchiness. No, it didn't help with frizz. No, it didn't grow my hair. This gets a good hair day stamp. Approved. But you, let me know, what do you think? Did it improve my hair? Am I imagining things? In the meantime, don't forget to try something healthy today, and I'll see you on the next one. Besos.